We are studying about the preparation of alcohol from alkene by the acid catalyst hydration. So first of all, we have to understand about electrophile and nucleophile. Nucleophile are having negative charge or lone pair of electron. They are also known as Lewis base, and electrophile having positive charge or vacant orbital for electron. They are also known as Lewis acid. Example of some nucleophile are given Cn minus, OH minus, and NO2 minus, and S2O is also a nucleophile because it containing a lone pair of electron. And in example of electrophile, HSO3 plus, H plus, NO2 plus, and S3O plus, etc. These two are, remember, acid catalyst hydration from alkene to alcohol. Ethene is converted into ethanol in the presence of H plus and S2O. It is given in NCERT. So first of all, we have to understand its mechanism, how it is happen. So we are going towards mechanism. First of all, H plus, which is from acid such as H2SO4 and HCl, etc., is react with H2O, which is water, to give S3O plus, which is an electrophile, or also known as hydronium ion. Step 1 is protonation and formation of carbocation. So first of all, we have taken alkene. What we have taken? Alkene, which is ethene. Ethene react with hydronium ion like that, H, O, H and H, it having a positive charge. This hydrogen will give its lone pair electron to the oxygen, and it will become a positive charge to attack it here. In this reaction, we will get CH3 and CH2 plus carbocation. What we get? Carbocation. Now step 2. In this step, H2O react as an nucleophile. We have learned about nucleophile having neutral. They are neutral species and they containing a lone pair of electron. So CH3, CH2, which having positive charge, plus H2O. This lone pair is taken by this carbocation to become stabilized. CH3, CH2 and OH, which is positive charge. Here this hydrogen will give in the next step number 3 is deprotonation. Now in deprotonation, what will happen? CH3, CH2, here will be O and here will be H, it will be positive charge. This hydrogen will give its lone pair electron to the oxygen and react with another H2O molecule which having lone pair to become an hydronium ion. In this reaction, CH3, CH2, COH plus H3O plus, it is act as catalyst